In this video, I want to go over placing an image inside some text. So I'm going to go over here to the stock images. I thought a wave photo would be kind of cool. Wait till that loads. I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to bring the sides into the canvas so it will fit in the canvas. I'm going to go up to the zoom to fit. Go to the artistic text tool. You're going to click and drag. I'm going to simply make just the word wave. And then I am going to do another zoom to fit. I want to bring the wave text over here. You can see it's already transparent, but if you do have a solid, of course you want to make it transparent. I'm going to go to the layers panel. I'm going to click on the image. I'm going to bring it up to the wave text. Notice it's a solid blue. I'm going to let go. It'll drop into the text. What you can also do is click on the image and you can put the image kind of wherever you want to with the text to make it bring out whatever part of the image you want to in the text. And so what else I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here, I'm going to go down the artistic text tool, make sure this is all clicked, go over here to the stroke panel, make sure that's on 0. You can change the font, you can change the stroke, you could even make it a gradient if you wanted to, that sort of thing. So you can work with the text as usual. And that's how you put your image inside of text. And thanks for watching.